Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the disadvantages of Basecamp. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty, let me just say that I'm not here to bash Basecamp. It's a great project management tool, and I've used it successfully in the past. However, like any other tool, it has its pros and cons. And today, I'm going to focus on the cons. So, let's get started. 1. Basecamp is not very customizable. One of the biggest disadvantages of Basecamp is that it's not very customizable. This means that you can't really change the way it looks or works to suit your own needs. This can be a problem if you're a very visual person or if you have a specific workflow that you like to use. 2. Basecamp can be expensive. Basecamp is not a cheap tool. In fact, it's one of the most expensive project management tools on the market. This can be a problem for small businesses or individuals who are on a tight budget. 3. Basecamp doesn't have a lot of advanced features. Basecamp is a relatively simple tool. It doesn't have a lot of the advanced features that you'll find in other project management tools. This can be a problem if you need a tool that can track time, generate reports, or do other complex tasks. 4. Basecamp can be difficult to learn. Basecamp has a bit of a learning curve. It can be difficult to figure out how to use all of the features, especially if you're not a tech-savvy person. 5. Basecamp can be slow. Basecamp can be slow, especially if you're using it with a large team or a lot of projects. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to get work done quickly. 6. Basecamp can be buggy. Basecamp is not a perfect tool. It's still under development, and there are still some bugs that need to be fixed. This can be frustrating, especially if you're experiencing a bug that's preventing you from using the tool properly. So, those are some of the disadvantages of Basecamp. If you're considering using Basecamp, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully to see if it's the right tool for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.